Inside of our revision control, we can go to our open snapshot history here, and we can see all of the changes that we've made inside of our levels. Now, if we're curious to figure out where a specific asset or actor is within the world, we can do that. Here under revision 65, we can see there was an update to a texture, and we can figure out where it is within our world by clicking on this button right here, our frame button. So if we go ahead and click on this, and then click on View in Current Snapshot, we can go to this specific texture right here inside of our world. So there it is. Other things that we can do inside of here as well is to click on this button. This will actually take us to that asset inside of our content browser. So let's go ahead and click on that and go ahead and choose View in Current Snapshot. And there it is. And last but not least, the other option in here is to see what other assets or actors are actually connected to it. This will open up the reference viewer. Again, we're going to go to View in Current Snapshot. And here we can see what other materials and what levels this texture is actually connected to. And one last little piece that I want to point out is that if you go ahead and choose this Sync to Snapshot, this will sync the entire project to this snapshot, not just this specific asset or actor.